Sure. Okay, so today I will talk about a website called NSE India, wherein I will show you how it looks like, the look and feel of NSE India, and what all things you can view and watch it in NSE India, right?
Okay.
Share my link. So you can see my screen.
Yes.
One second. Okay, so this is NSE India website. Have you seen this website earlier? Do you know anything about this?
No.
So this is basically NSE means National Stock Exchange India, right? Because we have a exchanges, right? We have two exchanges here, NSE and BSE.
Okay.
So NSE and BSE, right? So NSE stands for National Stock Exchange and BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange, right? So BSE is the old one, old exchange, and NSE is the new exchange, right?
Okay.
So we have two websites, nseindia.com and then we have bseindia.com. Fine. So these two websites are there, right? So yesterday I spoke about some indexes, right? Nifty 50, Sensex, and Bank Nifty, right?
Mhm.
So this Sensex index is a part of BSE. Nifty 50 is a part of NSE and Bank Nifty is also a part of NSE. Though they are listed on both the exchanges, but primarily when BSE came into picture at that time, Sensex was there on BSE. So the for BSE the primary is Sensex and Sensex is secondary for NSE India, right? If you go to BSE India, you can see here, right? BSE Sensex, right? So this is a Sensex here. And when you go to NSE India, you can see the indexes here, right? Nifty 50, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank. Apart from Nifty Bank and Nifty 50, there are many other small indices, right? Mid cap. As I spoke to you yesterday, we have large cap, mid cap, small cap, right? So same thing, they have indices also. Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap is also there. But main indices are Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, right? Fine. So this is clear. Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay, fine. So here you can see in this website, we have NSE indices, equities, right? So when we go to equities, you can see the gainers and losers means the gainers of that day means the stock which has increased on that day. So those stocks are called as gainers, which increase on Friday. The last trading day was on Friday. So these stocks were increased on that day by certain percentage, right? So here you can see the percentage. Like the first one, Madhav, it increased 20 percentage, right? Mirza International increased 19.92 percentage, right? So these are the gainers for on Friday. And then if you go to losers, here you can see that these stocks were down on that day, right? You can see that the first stock was down on Friday on 9.94 percentage, right? You can see all the stocks which are certain percentage down, right? So if you want to see the stocks like this, you can visit here and see the stocks.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. And see Nifty 50, right? So why do you think it has a name called Nifty 50? Why 50 is there in that? Because there are 50 stocks which are a part of Nifty.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
I will tell you what all stocks are there, right? Here you can see that top 5 stocks of Nifty 50. Here you can see the Nifty 50 stocks on that day, which are gainers and losers, right? You can see that Adani Port, LT is Larsen and Turbo, TCS is Tata Consultancies, SBI Life and L&T IM. So these are the top gainers which are a part of Nifty 50. And then the losers were Tania, Nestle India, JSW Steel, Kotak Bank, and Davis Lab. So this is a kind of data or a statistics. This is just for your information. Like if you want to see in the future, you can go to this website and you can watch the gainers and losers from here, right? So this is just a kind of data. You can watch it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fine. So now I will tell you like what all stocks are a part of Nifty 50. Just 1 second, I'll share my screen again. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, Nifty 50 means Nifty 50 will constitute 100%, right? Let's take an example of a student. If you are doing like BCom or some graduation or undergraduation, whenever you will give exam, at the end you will get certain percentage, right? Overall percentage like 78%, 80%, 90%. And that percentage is out of 100%, right?
Hmm.
So that percentage is like including different subjects. Let's say you have 5 subjects, right? Let's say the name is A, B, C, D, and E. There are 5 subjects, right? So it depends how much percentage you got in each subject, right? Let's say you got 70%, 60%, 80%, and 90% like this, right? So how you will calculate the percentage of your overall percentage? How you will calculate? You will add up all these and divide by 5, right?
Hmm.
But the total has to be out of 100%, right? So same thing in Nifty 50 also. There are 50 stocks. Based on their percentage, they are divided, right? Like the first is HDFC Bank. So they have a weightage of 13.26 percentage. The Reliance has a weightage of 9.11 percentage. So these weightages are fixed, right? So all these 50 stocks will constitute to 100%, right? If you add all these weightages, it will come to 100%, right? So every stock have a different weightage in Nifty 50. The highest weightage is of HDFC Bank, which is 13.26 percentage. And then we have Reliance Industries 9.11 percentage, ICICI Bank 7.42 percentage, right? So you might have heard sometimes, right? Nifty 50 is increased by certain points or Nifty 50 is down by certain points, right? So it depends on the weightage of these stocks. If these stocks are going up and down, these stocks will take Nifty also up and down. So based on these percentage, it will go up and down, right? Understand? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Is it clear? It is important that you should be clear about this.
Mm-hmm.
Any doubt in this? Fine. So this is clear, right? So Nifty 50 has 50 stocks and they have these kind of weightages. So this is just for your information. You should know this.
Mm-hmm.
Right?